Why is it gonna be so cold? Ugh. That little guy does not work when it's below like 20 degrees. Oh, and that still broke. All right, a couple things before our adventure today. I want to talk about the black car and we're talking about the silver car. The black car, I decided that we're gonna do only what we need to get it back on the road. That way we don't risk anything happening. I don't run into problems where my budget won't allow me to fix it. And that way I know I'll have this car for this year for shows. So what that means is we're not gonna be pulling the motor now. We're just gonna band-aid that broken manifold. I'll look over the rest to make sure it'll be all right for now. Maybe make a bracket and then throw it all back in. I am going to correct the whole PCV issue and then just maintenance. So go over the whole suspension, fluids, and just call it a day after that. That'll hopefully get this garage wrapped up. That way we can move on to the Camaros because Brad's Camaro still does not have a motor. So that needs to be priority and I want to get over there working on that car. Now as far as the silver one, I'm going to go ahead and write the tune and fire it up for you guys real quick, so you guys can hear the cam a little better. I just want to do that real quick for you guys before we head out. All right, sewer written. I'm gonna take this thing apart, plug it back in the car, and fire it up. That's what we want to hear. So we're gonna be heading over to my buddy Tyler's shop, Long Chop Performance. He's taken on hosting a build and it has drawn in other YouTube channels from across the country. So he invited me along to help with filming and to just be a part of the experience. I'm gonna leave most of the stuff for his videos and whoever's, you know, all the other guys involved, since they're actually doing the work. I'm just gonna give you guys a preview, but I'll share everything at the end, all the info, all the channels, the websites, whatever you need to find it, because it's actually pretty cool. What they're doing is they're taking a bus and they're turning it into an RV. So I'm gonna go over there for a little bit as long as I can, and hopefully it's a good time. All right, so now we're back from that. Keeping it short, keeping it simple, because he'll be sharing pretty much the entire thing on his channel and I'm gonna share with you right now everybody involved. That way you can check this thing out. This is a really cool project, and I'll put all this in the description. You got Lewis Lee with Playing in Traffic and Bustinoutskoolie, Terry Wilson, Coverman 66. We've got Arco Horton from Outlaw Edge, Iron Horse Garage, Bill Cameron from Edge of Eternity. We've got Joey Collins from Mill Creek Fab Shop, and of course Tyler Long, otherwise known as Mr. Longshot. So definitely check it out. I plan on hopefully going back and being a part of it some more and helping them out the way I can, which is filming. So let me know if you guys like this kind of stuff. If me checking in on other people's builds and see what's going on. I'm not able to do too much, but if I can go and help out other people. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.